to Disney Springs. Now, are we going to the post office? Now we buy some meal. Now we go to my dad.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. I know I have not vlogged in a very long time, and the reason why is because my grandmother was here visiting and I did not want to like shove a camera in her face. I wanted her to enjoy her time here. So yeah, she left the other day, and so sad to see her leave because I love having her around. The baby loved her, and yeah, it was so good to have her and spend time with us over here. And yeah, I'm about to start my day. I have to go get coffee because I need some caffeine. And she's saying hi. So I have to get caffeine because I'm gonna get a headache. I'm bound to get a headache if I don't drink some caffeine. So I'm on my way to get coffee. I have to go to the post office. I have to pick up some packages that I need to pick up, and then I don't know what else I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, but I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So I hope you guys are excited, and I am excited to start vlogging again. So yeah, let's get started with our day. I'll see you guys in a little while. We made it back. Oh my god, why is this so zoomed in? No. Zoom out. I have no reason. Okay, I don't know why it was like so zoomed. But I just got out of the post office. I got my packages. I ordered 2 things from Fashion Nova. I haven't shopped at Fashion Nova in so long. I think it's been about 2 to 3 months that I haven't shopped on Fashion Nova, because I don't know, I just got tired of shopping online. That I rather had just gone to the store, like Forever 21 and stuff like that, and Ross and TJ Maxx. Like, I was liking going to those stores and seeing them instead of ordering online. But I did purchase some stuff, and I'm super excited to show you guys what I purchased. I might do an unboxing with you guys when I get home, but right now I'm gonna be heading to Ulta. I have to pick something up. They did send me a 20% off coupon, so you know, you have to take advantage when they send you those type of things, because you never get like deals like that. So I'm gonna head over there, see if I see anything that I need or want, and then I'll be heading back home and I'll show you guys what I got from Fashion Nova. So I'm super excited to show you guys. So let's get started and start heading to Ulta, like right now. Okay, loves, so I finally made it back home. I am so excited. I made it back home early. I left early. I got my stuff done early. So I made it back home early, which is awesome. So I wanted to show you guys what I got at Fashion Nova, because like I said before, guys, I haven't shopped on Fashion Nova in so long, but I couldn't help it. I wanted to get something from there because I saw something that I liked, and I was like, you know what, let me just get it, because I know I'm gonna regret it later on. So the first thing I got were some pair of jeans. So they're called the butt boosting pants. They look like that. I am gonna take it out of the bag so you guys can see it, but I love Fashion Nova jeans. Fashion Nova jeans are like my absolute favorite jeans, because they do give you that snug to the body, but they also give you like that butt lifting. I love jeans that do that. Like, I hate jeans that make your butt look super flat. Like, those jeans are like, no. But these are the ones right here. They have a little bit of distress in the front, and then they have this right here, this tie. What I liked about it is that it has this elastic to it. I'm super excited to try them on. Hopefully they fit me really good, because I love the fact that it had this scrunchie in the front. This is a size medium, right? Yeah, size 7. So I'm super excited to try these out. I'll love to wear them with like high-waisted, not high-waisted, to wear it like with a bodysuit. Like, that is my vision for these jeans. So I'm super excited to try them on and let you guys know if I like them or not. This might be in my lookbook, so look out for the lookbook, because it's coming soon, guys. It's coming soon. I've been working on it. I've been trying to get all the stuff together so I can show you guys. So this is another thing that I got. It's like 2 separate orders. Actually, I have 3. One of them didn't come in yet. Should be coming in sometime next week, I think, hopefully. And this one is a 2-piece set, which I thought was super cute. Super duper cute. So let me open this up. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. So yeah, this is a 2-piece set. So this is the top, and it just says super on it. Super cute. And then it has the skirt to go with it. So this is the outfit right here. I'm so excited to do this, to put this in my lookbook, because I didn't know if it was gonna get here on time or what, but it did, and I'm super excited because I'm gonna put this in my lookbook. Yes, I am so excited for this, and it looks so good. And I got this in a size medium also. So that is what I got from Fashion Nova. I did stop at Ulta, but I really didn't see anything that I wanted. But I did pick up one thing that that I haven't, like, I've been looking for and I never found it, but now I did. And it's the Morphe sponge. I've been on a hunt for this sponge. Everyone says that this sponge is so good. So I finally found it and I picked it up. And then they also had a sale on the Wet n Wild, and I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial with everything under $6. So I definitely had to pick this up because it was at Ulta for $3. You know, take advantage of that. And then I also picked up a MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Teddy, or Velvet Teddy. Super cute. I have it on my lips right now. So cute, and it's not like super drying on the lips, which is awesome. So yeah, that is it that I have for my little haul. I have to go downstairs. I have to clean up because my daughter had a popsicle and she spilled it. She has like little spots all over the floor, so I definitely want to clean that up and then mop. And yeah, basically that's all I'm gonna do. And basically I'm gonna cook later on. Maybe I'll show you guys the little recipe that I do. It's a baked chicken with like tomato chunks in it. I'll definitely show you guys the recipe because it's so good, and I make it with mashed potatoes sometimes, or sometimes I'll do it with rice. It depends, like the mood that we are in and that I'll make the side dish with. But I'm gonna make it with mashed potato and some gravy, which is so exciting. And yeah, so let's get started cleaning downstairs. I'm gonna show you guys what I use, the products and stuff like that. So I hope you guys are excited to see like a little cleaning routine. I think I've done one before in the past, but I don't know. I don't remember, but I am gonna do it right now, and I will show you guys a recipe that I'll be cooking later on. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Guys, welcome our new family members, our little two fishies. They're called Nemos because my daughter gave them that name, of course, right? Those are your fishies?
I got some fruit. We got that last week. Now we're going to Disney Springs. Now are we going to the post office? Now we buy some meal. Now we go to my dad isn't working to my car in. Now and now my room is still all messy. And now I'm going to home now.
Gotta clean the house.
And now we got dust. Now my home's got dust. All my rooms have dust. Have dust bunnies. And
now we gotta clean.
Now, and my fish is so hungry. Now we get some meal.
Yeah. Hey loves, so we already finished having dinner. I forgot to show you guys the whole like plate set, like the chicken, the mashed potatoes, and the gravy that we had. It was so delicious. I am so sorry, the lighting is bad in here. So yeah, we basically ate. I'm just sitting here watching some TV. Soon I'm gonna be going upstairs to take a shower and just edit this video so I can get it up for you guys tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this short vlog. If you guys want me to vlog some more or have longer vlogs, please let me know down below. I'll definitely do it for you guys. So yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye loves.